All right, so we are back for another video and another channel update, guys. So yeah, finally again, after a couple of months, I'm able to upload new videos now. But yeah, usually when I start uploading, I want to tell you guys what's happening in the channel. So just to keep you guys updated for those who want to know. But number one is we have a new studio now. So this is the studio that I've been telling you guys about for the past months. And it's workable now. It's functional. So we will shoot some stuff here. So as you guys can see, I have this is my PC setup. You have my monitors in. And yeah, this is more of an industrial look compared to the other studio that is more of a maybe purple blue vibe, darker vibe compared to this. So this will be a different maybe look compared to my other videos. So yeah, I'm maybe gonna mix shooting here and also shooting in my other studio depending on where I am and depending on my availability. Yeah, there's gonna be a different vibe in the videos that I'm gonna make, and we'll see how that goes. Right, number two thing is of course the backlog of reviews. So I have a couple of that I received actually past days. Like for example, this is the TriStar River. So thank you Keep High Five for sending this over. I do have a couple of the distilleries. I still need to check that one out. I still have a couple of reviews, maybe 10 plus IEMs that I need to check out that are still in the backlog. So I'm gonna work on them. And of course, do let me know down in the comments below what other IEMs I should check out in the future, because yeah, I need to catch up. I have seen a lot of updates in the Chi-Fi world and the IEM world. So I would like to get updated again. I have seen Chris from Bad Guy Good Guy Audio release some new stuff, and even Super Review has new stuff coming out. So that's really cool. New collaboration IEMs, very cool. And I think from Z Reviews as well. So lots of collaboration IEMs that's coming out, really awesome. So I'm gonna check those out, and some other new Moondrops and some new KZs as well that I have seen. So a lot of movement now. Actually very excited. Actually 3 days ago, I have seen Linus Tech Tips. I think they reviewed the Choco. So you know the IEMs are now going into the bigger tech channels, which is very interesting. This is far cry compared to maybe 5 years ago. 16 million followers or subscribers in Linus Tech Tips. That's huge boost for the IEM community, and they are now boosting it. So really cool, really exciting time for IEM enthusiasts. So I would love to check those new IEMs out, of course. And number three, so what have I been working on? So I've been working on, of course, some of my other stuff outside YouTube, which is I'm working on my games. So I'm gonna make games now. So I probably will share to you guys some of my games if they do release. If I'm able to come up with them and really release them to the world, I'm gonna share with you guys. And I'm also doing some music stuff right now. So yeah, the music stuff is like a once a year kind of thing, but I'm active now, so I'm gonna do more music stuff. I'm gonna try it at least. It's more of an acoustic songs, and it's in Filipino language, so some of you guys might not be able to understand, but I'm gonna maybe release some English stuff there as well. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna try out. The music stuff, I am still not professional there, but it's something that I want to work on, a skill that I want to work on and improve. So there's that. I want to continue that. So yeah, games and music stuff. And number four, guys, is I actually have a new project. It's called IEM For Creators. So this is actually something that I've been thinking about for a while. Like, what am I gonna do with my IEMs? Because I do have a lot of IEMs, and at the same time, I want my platform to be helpful for other people. So it's something that dawned on me for the past couple of days, because I'm doing music right now. I'm kind of active with the community, and I've met some creators, really good musicians, better than me for sure, but they don't have that much gear to record on or do some monitoring on. So yeah, I thought of what if I'm gonna give my IEMs, those that I'm not using, to them, and those that are fitting for them as well, because I'm not just gonna give them anything. I want the IEMs that I'm gonna give to them to be very useful for them. So, and if they do need it, of course, some are already kitted out. So for those people who needs it, and I can figure out an IEM to give to them, and then I'm gonna give it away for free. So that's the thing now. That's the fourth project that I'm working on. So I might collaborate with some other artists or people, musicians on that. So I actually gave shout out to Capo MNL. So I gave them 3 earphones, so to give to their open micers. So I love that. I love that they have that project. They allow people who wants to share their music and share it in a safe space. So I gave 3 IMs to them, and we're gonna give it away to the open micers there, which is very awesome. And I also met a couple of TikTokers and YouTubers, and I talked to them, and if you know Paulo Gans, he's a Polyphia like finger style. He won the Polyphia guitar. So I gave him the KZ AS16 Pro. So yeah, hopefully you will see it in his channel. And like for example, there's this one artist that I was able to give an earphone to, and his earphone is broken. So that's very awesome. I'm able to help him, and he can make cool music. So that's awesome. I'm not gonna announce all. So if you just want to know, I'm gonna announce it maybe just in Instagram. So it's not gonna be like a major like content project. I don't want to make content out of it, but it's just to help out others. So I'm just gonna update you guys maybe in videos like this what's happening. That's mostly it actually. So yeah, it's been a while since I uploaded, but hopefully you guys are still there watching. Let me know down below if there's some items that I need to check out, if there's some content that I missed for the past couple of months, and that there's something that you're looking forward to in the channel. Let me also know down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.